After the lockdown, it was your first show for shooting as a bahar outdoor. So, how was your experience shooting this entire Please Find Attached season 2?
Uh, it was really obviously we worked with each other before, but after the lockdown, since it was our first project, we were very nervous, very excited. There were a lot of things going on in our head as to how we're going to do it. Will we be able to perform at the same level? All that jazz. So those kind of things were going on in our head, but everything in 2 3 days just settled and हो गया फिर ढंग से.
Yeah, but I think even that fear was there, कि आप जा रहे हो, set पे जा रहे हो इतने time बाद, pandemic के बीच में, you're going to meet so many people, you've been inside your house all this while. So all those thoughts were there, but obviously everything was very well taken care of. We had 0 cases on set. So like that, everything was really nice.
So, did you all take any precautions while shooting? And what were the challenges that you all faced? Because this was the first time shooting in the new normal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Any तो मतलब
So
बहुत सारे थे. Like everyone on set was full sanitized. हमारे कपड़े sanitize होते थे, हमारे bag sanitize होते थे, phone sanitize होते थे. Everyone in the unit was only allowed on set after wearing a PPE kit. Like Ayush and I, obviously not, because we had to be in front of camera. But like even between scenes, the whole set used to be sanitized with UV lights. We were living out of a hotel, like 15 minutes from our house. So I think there were lots of precautions taken, and it was very challenging even to like have to suddenly work for 12 hours after this long, because like अभी तक हम घर पे बैठे थे, chill कर रहे थे घर पे 6 महीने के लिए, and then suddenly you're on set waking up really early in the morning. By the way, we used to wake up really early for the shoot. So like we used to be ready on set by 6:37. So like just waking up that early and then working for 12 hours was physically a little tiring. It took a couple of days, about a week to get used to it. But yeah, in short, these were the challenges, mota mota.
How did you guys select this role that कि हाँ मुझे शौर्य और संध्या का ही रोल प्ले करना है?
So season one was an experiment-based show, like a 3 episode, 15 minute this thing, which got a lot of love from the audience and stuff like that. So that's why they were like, okay, now because this has become very popular in 3 episodes, everyone wants to see what happens next. So that's when season two was written, and uh, that's how probably we got it. मतलब हमने choose तो नहीं किया था. हमने जब start किया था तो हमको लगा था अच्छा चलो देखते हैं कैसा होगा, ये होगा वो होगा, but it became so huge. So we're really thankful for the fact that a season got made on it, and then obviously as the character expanded to 5 episodes, तो हम लोग को भी उस हिसाब से we had to find these little tidbits over here and there to make it seem like a legit real character.
So, you guys also had this hashtag no barkha, which was started by you, Ayush.
He had this hashtag, not me.
So, what was this all about and how did it start?
So I'll tell you what happened. तो एक हमको नेक्स्ट डे हमारा शूट था. मतलब हम लोग 4 5 6 दिन से शूट कर रहे थे. फिर एक दिन बरखा को ऑफ मिल रहा था नेक्स्ट डे और मुझे ऑफ नहीं मिल रहा था. तो ना रात को जब हम होटल में डिनर खा रहे थे तो बरखा बहुत ही अनोइंगली शो ऑफ करने लगी कि कल ना मैं आराम से उठूंगी, मैं 12 बजे उठूंगी और ना आज रात को कुछ देख लेते हैं ना, अच्छे से चिल करते हैं लेट तक. तो मैं बोला कि शर्म है तेरे को कि यार मैं सुबह 7 बजे जाना है मेरे को. तो शी स्टार्ट मेकिंग अस फील लाइक ऐसा कि यार आज तो मैं आराम से 12 बजे उठ के होटल की कॉफी पीऊंगी. So then we were like, "तू रुक." Next day we went on set and we made everyone dance to it. No Barkha, ke we are having a lot of fun without Barkha on set. So that was the inception of No Barkha Day. उसमें से आधे से ज्यादा लोग तो ऐसे ही थे कि नहीं नहीं यार प्लीज बरखा परसों तो आएगी ना. तो हमको काम करना है उसके साथ. बट मैंने उनको बहुत ही ब्लैकमेल करके नचवाया और बोला कि तो मैं नहीं, मैं चले जाऊंगा अभी. So then they were really sweet, and everyone did it in a fun way, and it was
And it
fun.
actually caught on really fast. Like मैं actually
Yeah.
12 बजे सो के उठी थी और जब मैं उठी मैंने देखा ऐसे 5-6 stories हैं and like 100 DMs from people and like मेरे upload पे comment कर रहे लोग दीदी see what Ayush is doing, see what Ayush is doing. So yeah, it took off quite instantly.
Remember any such other cases where you know you all had fun? Another, I want to hear some other behind the scenes stories of
बहुत
this.
प्रैंक्स किए हमने सेट पे बहुत प्रैंक्स किए एंड आई थिंक so as I said Ayush the makeup artist and I were living in a hotel very close by, so like after pack up used to be a party anyway. We used to eat together, work out together, chill, music, ye wo. That was fun. I think just even on set shooting, because we know Naina really well, who's the director of the show. The creative producer was Venki. We also know him very well. Ayush and I get along very well. So I think the whole team as such was really nice and happy go lucky. And pranks तो मतलब बहुत किए, shooting रुकवा देने वाले pranks किए हमने set पे. So yeah.
What are your views on content consumption during the lockdown and the pandemic situation which happened? Do you think that content consumption increased during this lockdown?
Yeah, for sure. You know, the value of web started highlighting itself a little more. Initially, a lot of people were like, "कि films ही देखने जाएंगे हम theater में एक बार films देख लेते तो बस हो गया." That's our quotient of entertainment. But this pandemic forced everyone to come on these OTT platforms on YouTube, and these shows started doing well, and that's where people started consuming so much of it. And even our Instagrams basically was a source for people to be entertained, because at no point anyone was busy, or you know, you save your 2 hours in a day from traveling, and that's the 2 hours you want to do something, and that's where you start watching things. So I think this lockdown definitely has helped the web space to another level.
So you guys also were super active during the lockdown on your social media handles, be it Ask Me Ayush, or be it your Barkha, your Alexa videos were awesome. I have seen it. So
That's sweet.
what do you guys want to tell about it?
See, it
I
was
think that was just a sorry, go ahead, Ayush.
Go ahead.
I think it was just like a creative outlet, right? अब दो creative इंसान हैं who like perform for a living all their lives. Suddenly आपने बोल दिया नहीं तुम नहीं काम कर सकते, तुम कुछ perform नहीं कर सकते, तुम घर पे बैठो, lockdown चल रहा है nationwide, कोई कुछ नहीं कर रहा है, तो हम कहाँ से निकालें अपनी creative energy? So like we were blessed enough to have a platform that is our social media handles where we can reach out to a lot of people and entertain them. And I think it was just us being us and just like putting out things that came to our mind and came naturally. And in fact, and I remember Ayush telling me this as well, there were a lot of times where people sent messages and videos saying that, you know, in such a depressing time, your mindless comedy is actually making us feel good. So I think that was also just a motivation to keep making mindless comedy and make like funny random.
Yeah. Sorry, your voice is muffled.
You were saying something about asking Ayush.
I was just saying that it was just one of those things which, when you're at home, you're sitting and then you're just thinking, "कि अभी क्या करे?" It's just as by nature, both of us are entertainers. Just
Ayush का
when
internet
at
error
home,
ना?
it's okay. We don't elaborate setups. Okay, are you all hearing me
Sorry,
now?
Baba.
Am I back?
Internet is gone.
Yes,
हाँ,
we
now
got
it's fine.
Hi.
Yeah. So I'm just saying, as two entertainers, it's just one of those things where we're like, घर पे भी बैठे तो कुछ problem नहीं है, bro. We don't need a large setup to entertain people. We can probably do it on our Instagram as well. So on that thought, was everything whatever we did in the
Knock
lockdown.
knock यार, तुमने knock knock के बारे में कैसे नहीं बोला नेहल?
Knock knock, yes. Knock knock. कितना सारा videos था knock knock के बारे में.
Those are my personal
बहुत-
favorite.
Mine too.
Sorry.
How
Yeah,
did you
I
guys
still-
come up with this every content that you all made? वो आइडिया कहाँ से
तो
आता था?
जस्ट ऐसे ही आ रहे थे, पता नहीं वो टाइम पे, you know, it was a different time. When you go look back at the lockdown at home, the space of mind was very different because you had no option. So, you know, whatever was available at home, you were doing that. So, so Knock Knock just came randomly. I swear to God, it wasn't even a thought. Like it just randomly occurred, and I was like, okay, I'll just start doing it. And I still to this day get so much this thing. Ke, why have you stopped making Knock Knocks? So I was
Yeah.
like, Diwali special पे करेंगे कुछ.
Drop a Diwali special video, yeah.
Done.
So, wrapping up with it, what other plans do you guys have? Like, what are the other series that you all are working on? And apart from that, what are the brand endorsements that you guys have?
दीदी ये तो डिफिकल्ट सवाल पूछ लिया, काफी सारी चीजें बोल ही नहीं सकते. No, joking. Please go on.
So, in terms of brands, वो तो अभी पता चलेगा थोड़े टाइम में, दिवाली टाइम पे, क्योंकि सब लोग everyone is locking everything. So in the brand front, we're going to get confirmation on certain things till Diwali because it just so much which keeps happening here and there. So on that front is that. Uh, uh, Next, what I am doing is a show called Call My Agent, which is just announced sometime back. It's directed by Shad Ali and it's produced by Applause and Bani J. So that's the next project I'm excited about, and I'm already shooting for it. I remember during PFA it was about to get locked, and I was signing it, and everyone was pretty happy about the fact. And Barkha used to tell me, "Don't tell anyone, you'll jinx it." So I used to keep shut about it, and I till I signed it, I did not tell anyone. But the day I signed, I remember we had a biryani party and we had gulab jamun that day, and we were like, "Yeah, nice, ho gaya sign." So yeah.
What about you, Barkha?
For me, no, same thing as Ayush said. Like, show, there's absolutely nothing that I can say that हाँ ये होने वाला है. But sadly, but brand deals, we are like in talks. Like it just comes out till it comes out. A lot of these things are quite last minute. But yeah, it's a festive season, so a lot of work coming. Touch wood.
Yeah, that's what.
Ayush, can we have a knock knock right now?
Okay, so knock knock.
Who's there?
No one.
Who? No one. Ayush hit an all-time low officially. That was actually
Yeah,
a good
agar-
one.
it was a good one. No? It's a smart
It was a
one.
good
It's a very smart one.
Meta.
Meta hai, meta hai.
Meta joke hai ye.
That was lovely having you guys, meeting you guys actually. It was really
Thank
fun.
you so much. Yeah.
Okay,
How
thank you so
sweet.
much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Take
Nehal.
care, Nehal.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.